This channel joined just 1 month ago, and with only 13 videos, this channel crossed 6 million views and gained more than 124,000 subscribers. Now you might be thinking, which niche is this, and how did this channel do this in such a short time? So this channel simply uploads AI-generated videos of a senior citizen giving advice on camera, and people think this is real, even though this is a fully AI-generated influencer. And I was shocked when I checked their earnings. This channel made something between $20,000 to $21,000 in a single month just from AdSense revenue alone. And if you don't know how to make these types of videos for free, don't worry. Just watch this video, and I promise you, you can make these types of AI videos using free AI tools. For that, you need these master AI prompts. So, make sure to download them from the description link. And once you have them, simply head over to this channel, and you'll see multiple videos shown here. Just choose any one video, and once the AI influencer appears, pause the video and take a screenshot of that AI influencer. Once done, simply head over to ChatGPT and attach your image here. After that, go to the PDF and you'll see this first prompt here. Now simply copy it from here and paste it into ChatGPT. Once pasted, add this line saying, "Provide me a prompt for generating an AI influencer like this." Then, hit next. ChatGPT will start analyzing the image and will provide you with a full detailed prompt for your AI influencer. Once you have it, simply copy that prompt from here. Then head over to Higgsfield AI. I use Higgsfield because this is a first-gen AI platform with lots of powerful AI features, and right now this is free. As you can see, there is an AI influencer option here, and it is available for free, meaning you can use it unlimited times. Simply click on it, then click on Create New, and on the right side you will see two options. One is Builder, and one is Prompt. Using the Prompt option, you can use Builder to generate your influencer. But first, we will use the Prompt section to generate it. Simply click on it. Then paste your copied prompt here and click on Generate Influencer. Your AI influencer will start generating, and in a few moments you will have it. Just look at the quality of the influencer. It looks very amazing and professional. But we need to customize it a little more for our use, and for that we will edit it inside Higgsfield. Simply click on the Edit option, and you will be redirected here. Now head over to the PDF document again, and below you will see the second prompt. Simply copy that entire prompt from here. Then go back to Higgsfield and paste it here. Make sure to choose the 16.9 option from here. Then simply hit Generate. It will start generating an image for you, and in a few seconds you will have your AI influencer image ready. Now see, this is exactly the type of image we want. From here you can edit it even more. For example, you can change the camera angle of the same influencer. Simply click on it, choose your settings, and then click on Generate for free. You'll see the new image generated, and reference channels also use these types of images. Once you're happy with it, simply go back, click on your influencer image, and then click on Download to download it from here. Method B, using the Builder option. Now, let's also generate our influencer using the Builder option. Simply go back and click on Builder. Then choose the Human option from here. Below that, choose your gender. I choose male here. Then choose your ethnicity. I choose European. Below that, select your skin color. Then choose senior and age. Below that, you can customize many things like eye color, hair, ears, and more. Just customize everything according to your preference. Once done, simply click on Generate and it will start generating an image for you. In a few seconds, you will have it. Simply edit it like before, and now you are ready for the next step. Now simply click on Video, and below that choose the Lip Sync option. Here you need to upload your AI influencer. Simply click on Upload and upload your AI influencer image. Below that, it asks you what the influencer should say in the video. For that, we need a script like this reference channel. So for that, simply head over to the PDF again, and here you can see this third prompt. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. In the prompt, it asks you to enter how many minutes of video you want. Since this is just a tutorial, I simply go with a 1-minute video script. Now hit Next and ChatGPT will start generating a script. In a few seconds, you will have it. First, it will provide you with the topic on which it generated the script. Once done, simply copy a small line from the script. Then head over to Higgsfield AI and paste your text here. Below that, you need to enter a motion prompt. Simply ask it for things like motion, like talking, hand movements, etc. Then below, click on the model option and choose Google V3 Fast. After that, click on Quality and choose 1080p from here. Then click on the aspect ratio option and choose 16.9. Now it will start generating a video, and in a few seconds you will have it. Let's see how it looks. Simply play it.
The other thing I would say, especially as you get older, is that you start to learn that there are no right answers.
And you can see this video is literally like the reference channel and looks amazing. Now like that, let's generate another clip for the next line of the script. Simply go back to the script, copy the next line, paste it here in Higgsfield, and then click on Generate. Your video will start generating, and in a few seconds you will have it as well. Play it and see how it looks.
But life has a way of teaching you that the strongest foundations are built slowly.
Just like this, you can generate all the clips one by one. Now let's download each clip one by one. And now it's time to combine all the clips together in any editing software. And for that, open any editing software. I use CapCut here. Simply open it and click on the import option. Then import all the clips together. Once added, simply click on Add and all the clips will be placed on the timeline. Now simply play it and see how it looks. Once everything is finished, simply click on Export and export the video. And just like that, you can create your video easily. But now we also need to generate a thumbnail for our video. And for that, we will again use Higgsfield AI. For this, first simply head over to the document again, and below you can see this fourth prompt. Now simply copy this entire prompt from here. Then go back to ChatGPT in the same chat where you asked for the script and paste your prompt there. Then hit next and it will start generating a prompt for your thumbnail. In a few seconds you will have your thumbnail prompt ready. Now simply copy that entire prompt from here. Then go back to Higgsfield AI here. Click on the Images option and choose Generate AI Image. Make sure your AI influencer is attached here. Then simply paste your copied thumbnail prompt here. Also, make sure the 16.9 aspect ratio is already selected. Now simply hit Generate, and it will start generating your thumbnail. In a few seconds, you will have your AI thumbnail ready. Just see how it looks very attractive and beautiful. Exactly what we want. Now simply click on the download option and download it from here. Now you can use it anywhere you want. And like that, you can easily create these types of AI influencer videos for free. If you like this video, make sure to join my Telegram channel so we can connect together. I will share multiple updates regarding AI, so make sure to join through the description link. And until then, keep creating. Bye-bye.